It is now time. Yay! It is now time for me to unbox. Wow, coming out of the trending topic segment, it feels a little heavy. So I'm very happy to move on to this. And I'm hoping that this will help me kind of regulate my emotions a little so I can, whew, you know, I'm really humbled and I'm extremely grateful. Extremely grateful, Anyway, I have a couple packages here. Actually, I have three packages. I don't know if I'm going to open all three packages in this video or if I'll do some in another video. But I'm so curious to see what items came today because I ordered a certain amount of things and I don't get all of them. Sorry, I don't get everything at the same time. So, and I didn't really check because sometimes I like to be surprised. So I want to go through to see which of the items I got and go from there. So let's let's share. Let me share with you the my Amazon cart. Not cart, but the things I purchased. My Amazon orders. Oh my goodness. Feeling tremendously emotional right now, to be honest with you. All right, so I'm not sure which of these items I received, but I think it's between these three. That one, and that one. So let's start down here. Or maybe I should start here. Well, I think the small one is this one. So let's start right here. And I want to say this, it's okay to cry. I give myself permission to cry anytime. I give myself permission to feel what I feel. I give myself permission. It's okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm supposed to give you some tips. There's some things I'm learning about unpacking that I want to share. Little things like, so one of the first thing I want to share with you that I learned about unpacking and when you have deliveries and stuff. Somebody said it to me. Somebody said, make sure you remove your name and address from the package before you dump them. Why I didn't think about that, I don't know. But again, right? Thankful to people for what they had to go through that taught them the lessons that they will then pass on to us, right? I don't take those things for granted. Big deal. You know what I mean? So that's a tip I want to share with you today. My unboxing shopping haul tip for today is, please make sure to, before you dump after you extract your items from the package, before you dump the garbage, right? Make sure to remove your private information. Remove your information from the package, right? Before you dump it. All right, let's go. I love to rip it apart. I hear that? I love that. That's what I love. There we go. Yes. It's that package. It is. Oh my goodness. All right. So the first thing I'm going to open, and I want to show it to you. All right. So the first thing I'm opening is this right here. All right. Is this Vooglery? No, Vooglam. I think it's Vooglam, it said. There we go. So that's the first thing I'm opening. So let me take this one off. Hey, look at my beautiful eyes. Hey. And let's put this one on. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at that. Okay, the lights. A lot of lights in here. Wow. Ooh, baby. Ooh, I like it. Me like it. I like it. So I got that. I got the thing to clean it. As you can see, it was wrapped around it. Ooh, I like it. It's very clear. It's very, very clear. Okay, so I'm not going to be keeping the box. So there we go. That's the first thing that we unboxed today. You know, I like to put them so you can see them. Oh, baby. How does it look? Do you like it? I can barely see it. I can't see properly. So I'll see it later. All right. So let's yeah. All right. Now, okay. So this, okay, my headset, the cord, sometimes after a while, it's like it gets worn out and it stops working properly. So I wanted to get replacement cords for it. So that's the cord. That's this. All right. Oh my gosh, it's the same thing. To be honest with you, when I bought it, I wasn't quite sure it would have been the same material, and I wanted it to be, and it is. It's like thread like. It's not plastic, and it's not like electric cord kind of cord. You'll see it up there. To me, I guess I would call it cloth or thread, but yeah. So these two, there are two of them. So I just like to have them because I like to do my podcast with my with headphones. I like to hear the sound of the ocean and stuff. I just like to have my headphone on. Like when I was in university, I used to be a disc jockey at the radio station, and I still love it. Like I love having on my headphone and I'm listening to my music and I'm vibing. You know what I mean? So I love to have it. I love to have it on. I absolutely love to have it on. So, okay, that's the second thing. All right. I was looking forward to this one as well. Let's just clean up as we go along. Okay. When I'm unboxing, and this is another tip. If you don't want to have a lot of things to clean up when you're done, just use the same containers that the things come in, the same thing that the packages come in. Just put the garbage back into it. I don't know. It's something I like to do. I'm a lazy person. Okay, so now these are some shorts. So it's very hot inside. So wearing my long tights and stuff to work out is very challenging because I can't work out for too long because it's so hot, you know. So I wanted to get some shorts that would allow me to have, you know, not have to wear those long tights to work out. So these are my workout shorts, and I already have stockings. Remember, I purchased my stockings, so I'll have my stockings on under it, so I'll be fully covered. Nice. So that's black, and I got 4 of them, just as you see on the screen. Ooh, baby, I can't wait to put them on. So these are my, let me see, red, then that, put them as they're on there, then that, and then this. So there we go. All 4, just as they're there, just as you see them there. All 4. So 4 shorts. Nice, very, very nice. I like that. Okay, now the next box. Woo. All right. I feel like I want you to see the box. I can take my thing off. But you can see it here. Let me know in the comments, please. Please let me know in the comments if you think I should do the unboxing elsewhere. If you want to see more of what I'm doing when I'm taking them out. I just love the sound of ripping it apart. Oh my gosh. Yeah. You see, I'm not afraid of life's breakdowns. As a matter of fact, to be honest with you, I get very, okay. I am more cautious when things seem to be perfect. That is when I get on edge and I'm a lot more aware and I'm like, oh my gosh, you know, because life has taught me that it's about breakdowns, you know, and we may not like the breakdowns because we have different categories for breakdowns, but it's still a breakdown nonetheless. You know what I mean? Anyway. Ooh! Oh my goodness! Oh, my heart is full and I'm so grateful. Oh my God. This is what it is. I feel like I'm gonna cry. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love this pot so much. It's one of my favorite things. I've been wanting one for so long. Oh. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. Oh my gosh. I'm so grateful for this pot. Oh, look at that, baby. I'm so grateful for my pot. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. This belongs to me. This is for my kitchen. Oh my gosh. Kelly's ASMR. You can watch my video and you'll see when I use it. Ah, look at that. Whew. Oh my gosh. I'm going to say something that's going to be weird, really weird. I am somebody. Another time I'll tell you why I say that, but I am somebody. Anyway, I tell you about brokenness, right? We all have our brokenness. Look at my pot. That's my pot. That's mine. That is my pot for me that I bought. Oh my goodness. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna cry. Oh my gosh. I don't, maybe I'll cut this out. I don't know. This is my pot. Oh, this is my pot. Baby, this is my pot. Oh, oh my goodness. This is my pot. I am somebody. Hello. Look at my pot. That's my pot. Oh, it's so heavy. Oh, it's gorgeous. Look at that. That's my pot. Okay, so here is another. Ooh. Oh, I love that sound. Ripping it apart. I like to tear things apart so we can enjoy them. Ah, look at that. Ooh. This is for the pipe. Oh, this is for my channel. All right. Okay. Let's put this back here. And let's open them up. Okay, so this is I am so emotional right now because growing up I didn't have anything really, you know, and I got to a place where I bought myself all I thought I needed, and then it was taken from me, or I lost it, or whatever. I don't have it anymore. And the rebuilding has just been so tremendously amazing. And I've just been falling in love with myself and realizing that I am enough, I am worthy, and I am somebody. Like, I matter, you know? It's not because I didn't know. I think I just didn't spend time acknowledging it, you know? Because I've never necessarily been someone who, I never had low self-esteem, and I always knew, but this is it. I always believed in my brain because I went to school. But no, I don't know, when I figured out, it's just, I'm seeing myself as a girl, and I'm loving that girl with nothing. You know what I mean? Anyway, this is a thermometer, is what it's called. You'll see it there. It's there, yeah. It's a, yes, meat thermometer. Right, that's what it is. That's what it is. There we go. So that's what that is. And I need to wrap it up. And this, as you can see there, is it's a wall. It's something like this. Can you see this? Right, it's a backdrop, but this backdrop is for my food channel at Kelly's ASMR. So I bought this for that reason. I bought this for that because I wanted something that represented food. Oh, I love the material. Wow. Wow, I like the material. Oh, it is pretty. Wow, and it's the right size too, yeah. Here it is. Can you see it? Hang on. Can you see it? Yeah. Oh, I don't think you can see it properly. Like you can't see the foods properly because they're big. And I just need to spread it out some more, but they're there. Wow, so the orange and stuff. Yeah. So this is the backdrop for my food channel. Let's not put this there. Let's keep it right here. And then this. Okay, haha, this might be bigger than I expected it to be. So my pipe, there's an issue with my pipe where sometimes the water leaks. So I decided to get this thing here to put over the pipe. I think it's gonna be good. Put over the pipe so the water's not splashing on me. All right, so that's what that is. And the final thing because time. Okay, so the final thing is some glass jars that I bought. Ooh. Now let me tell you why I love these. I love these because it's because of their ability to stay clean. You see this? Easy to wash. Sometimes I have had jars before, but I had to throw them away because the cover, no matter how I washed it and how I put them in warm water, it's like it was always gathering dirt, you know, and it was just not. It just didn't feel safe and clean to me. So the reason I bought this one is because the cover is so simple that it's easy to just take it off, wash it, and put it back on. So even when I put them in warm water or whatever to clean them, when I sanitize them, it will not just gather dust the next day. You know what I mean? That was a challenge I was having. So that's why I needed these ones. And I love them. They're a quart. And I absolutely love them. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so this is it for the unboxing. I love to open new packages. I want to give you the latest information on the top funding opportunities for entrepreneurs who are seeking funding. Come along with me. I'm Coach Racquel, and it is this a passion project for me. So I'm so happy to bring this to you. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for watching.
Unlock your potential every Thursday with our podcast, Refresh, Relax, Renew. Join Coach Racquel as she guides you through personal development journeys. Each episode focuses on actionable steps to enhance your personal journey. The podcast features 3 main segments to keep you engaged. We start with discussions on trending topics relevant to your growth. Then we unbox solutions to common challenges we face daily. Finally, stay updated with fresh funding opportunities each week. Tune in every Thursday for new episodes, and see you there.